Hi guys, this is Aisha. Welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today's video is about the true autumn shades makeup, and I have created two looks, soft and the bold look. The soft one I'm wearing, it's basically the daytime area look, and the bold one is basically the evening look. And if you have a deeper skin tone, then you are gonna love it because it's gonna look amazing on you. Basically, both the looks are inspired by the autumn shades, rich autumn shades. So if you want to learn it, stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get this started. First, I'm applying a brown eye shade and applying it all over the lid. It's from Wet n Wild color icon. Next, I'm using the Ingrid Cosmetics Casablanca palette and taking the brown shade and using it on my lash line. But yeah, I'm using it really less. Now I'm using the Ingrid Cosmetics Ideal Eyes palette and taking the peachy gold shade and using a very light amount on the inner corner of my eyes and dragging it towards the middle part, just very little to give a very nice subtle glow. Using it on the brow bone as well. So yeah, it gives a very beautiful youthful appearance, and when you tilt your head it looks amazing. Now for the blush, I'm using NYX Cosmetics Slice Beach lipstick as a blush, and I've used this trick in Ariana Greenblatt's makeup video as well. So it's a beautiful blush for a deeper skin tone. And now on top of it, I'm using a powder blush from Shiseido. It's basically the inner glow cheek powder in the shade Peach. Really subtle, really beautiful. Now I'm using the MAC highlighter. It's basically a rose gold highlighter, but it's very subtle, and I'm using it in a very light quantity because it's a day makeup, soft makeup. Now the lips. So for the lips, I have used this peachy matte lipstick from a brand called Sapphire Cosmetics, and I'm going to just blot it on my lips, literally, because again it's a soft makeup and you can see how beautiful it looks. So if you want a soft matte look, you can just stop right here. But if you are a glossy lip lover, then I'm going to show you an alternative which you can use. So this is a orange rust, actually a coral lip gloss. I'm going to use it on top of this. And you can see that how beautiful it's looking right now. And glossy lips are in trend, so if you're a glossy lip lover, then I'm sure that you're gonna love this when you use a rusty orange lip gloss. And also glossy lips gives you a very youthful appearance, so yeah, just go ahead and try it. And it's also basically a medium contrast makeup, and it looks really good on tanned brown skin. So yeah, go ahead and try it. So now we are going to do the evening or bold makeup look. The base is going to be same. We are going to change only the eye makeup and the lip makeup. So let's start. And the blush of course. So let's start. So again, I'm going to take this same palette from Ingrid Cosmetics, but this time I'm taking the dark brown shade, removing the excess and using it on the lash line, the upper and the lower lash line to smoke it out. And this time we are going to take this and drag it towards the middle part from the outer corner in order to give a little bit more drama to the eye look. And yeah, make sure to blend it really well because that's the main part of the makeup, the evening makeup, and it gives a really beautiful richness to the eyes, especially if you have dark eyes. And now on top of it, I'm going to use a rust brown shade from Revlon. It's basically a cream eyeshade. And I'm using my fingers and using very little amount, but it's still a little bit of touch up from the brown eyeshade is needed, because it was like hidden somewhere when I used the rust brown eyeshade on top of it. So yeah, I'm going to bring it back again. And now I'm using the gold highlighter from Fenty Beauty called Kilowatt. Very beautiful gold highlighter, especially for brown skin. And I'm using it on the usual areas, again using very little quantity because it's so pigmented, really beautiful. Literally, it feels like as if you are made up of gold. So if you have a gold goddess fantasy, you can fulfill it by using this highlighter. And now for the blush, I'm using MAC Cosmetic Eyeshade. Yes, an eyeshadow for a blush or a bronzer. It's basically a red brick eyeshade and it complements this makeup pretty well. It's a rusty brown eyeshade and it suits my skin tone as well. And I'm also using it as a contour. So I'm taking a small fluffy brush and using it on my nose to give it a more chiseled appearance. And I'm setting it all up with a setting powder from Laura Mercier. Make sure to use a lot. And now for the lipstick, I've used this Rust Orange lipstick from Ingrid Cosmetics. Very beautiful shade, and I'm blotting it on my lips like I did previously. It gives a really nice look. And now I'm filling my eyebrows with a pencil. So I've also done a video on orange lipsticks for deeper skin tone. You can check it out. I'm gonna post a link in the description. It gives a really nice fierce yet youthful appearance when you use lipstick, especially a little bit semi-matte lipstick on your lips in a blotted way. You can see how gorgeous it's looking over here. I really love this look for the autumn evenings. It's basically like the soft glam look, and I think it would suit every other skin tone, especially deeper skin tone. So this is much more of a classic look, but if you want more bold, we can use a deeper shade of a lipstick. So yeah, let's use it. So this is much more of a terracotta shade on the hand, but on my face it looks much more like a rusty brown shade. So yeah, let's use it. So it's a liquid lipstick from Inglot Cosmetics, the HD liquid lip tint. It's a really nice matte lipstick. It doesn't seem matte now, but after a few minutes, once it dries up, it turns into matte lipstick. And yeah, here you can see it. I have not used any other lipstick. It's the same lipstick, but you can see the difference between the two. You can decide whether it's washing me out or it's looking good. So I'm going to use another lipstick. So finally, I found my perfect match. It's from L'Oreal 348, and this makeup is looking beautiful. So this brings us to the end of our video, and there you have it, both these looks, soft and bold. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below, and for more go to my website eyeshadowbox.com, and you can purchase the products from there as well, and from the description box as well. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao, and don't forget to like and subscribe.